So, here's the thing, 2025 isn't just another year, it's a tipping point. Massive AI factories are going up, and governments are injecting billions into AI. And AI innovators, well, they're shaping the future right now. And no, you don't have to be a billionaire, a coder, or a Silicon Valley insider to be part of this. You just need the right skills. I've spent the past year totally immersed in AI, as the author of AI Shaping the Future and founder of Novogment, an AI startup helping everyday businesses harness the power of automation. Through all this, one thing became super clear. We're not just witnessing change, we're actually living inside a transformation. So, will you let this next generation of AI native entrepreneurs pass you by? Or will you watch this video, master the skills I'm about to share, and shape your own future? Because what I'm about to show you, these 7 essential AI skills, will transform how we live, work, and create for the next 50 years. Let's begin. The most powerful AI in the world is honestly useless if you can't tell it what to do. That's where prompt engineering comes in. The #1 foundational skill. Just imagine you manage a team of designers, developers, and marketers. If you don't know how to clearly instruct them, you just won't get results. Now imagine they're all AI tools. Same rule applies. So, how do you get the best output? You start with this simple structure. First, assign a role. You are a UX designer with 5 years of experience. Next, state the goal. Design a landing page that increases conversions. Finally, give clear instructions. Break it into sections. Use bullet points. Make it persuasive but simple. You don't have to be an expert in everything, just clear and specific. And, yeah, you can even ask AI to help you write better prompts. That's the beauty of it. You're training your team, even if that team is made of language models. You know, you really don't need to learn Python to launch something useful. With the right AI tools, you can build apps and websites with just words. Think of yourself as a product lead, guiding the build, even if you never touch a line of code. If you're just starting out, check out tools like Lovable to build full-stack apps with one prompt, Superbase for creating backends and logins, or Bolt and Horizons. Super simple app builders for non-techies. And if you're technical, tools like Cursor or Windsurf can totally take you to the next level. AI is breaking down the wall between idea and execution. You just need to describe it. Let's be real for a second. Great products don't sell themselves. Words matter. Whether you're building a landing page, writing a pitch, or just sending an email, copywriting is king. That's why I use AI to write headlines that grab attention, rewrite dry text in a more human tone, and test different styles for different audiences. Tools like Claude or ChatGPT can help you write like a pro, even if you don't consider yourself a writer. And if you want to sound like you, just train the model with your writing samples. That's when AI becomes your true co-writer. Gone are the days of blasting generic emails to thousands of people. Today, AI helps you find the right leads, pull verified contact info, and craft personalized messages that actually get replies. You can search LinkedIn, enrich your list, and auto-generate messages tailored to someone's background, interests, or recent activity. This isn't just efficient, it's powerful. It's not about spamming, it's about relevance at scale. Think you need a studio to produce quality content? Think again. AI now lets you turn text into videos with tools like Runway, generate stunning images using platforms like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, and even clone voices or compose music with 11 Labs or Suno. Whether you're building your brand, teaching others, or just experimenting creatively, content creation is now, honestly, limitless. And the best part? You're not waiting weeks or burning a hole in your budget. It's all right at your fingertips. Automation used to mean robots on a factory floor. Today it means AI quietly working in the background, saving you hours. I use tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N. These tools let you connect everything: forms, emails, spreadsheets, calendars, even your voice notes. You set the trigger, define the actions, and it just runs. Want to take it further? Layer in AI. For example, I can leave a voice message, have it transcribed, turned into a social media post, edited for clarity, and sent back to me. All automatically. One-time setup, ongoing superpower. Last but not least, AI agents and decision-making support. Unlike simple automation, AI agents can reason, can adapt, and can learn from interaction. You can create an AI assistant for your website, your customer support, or even your calendar. It can qualify leads, handle objections, or update your CRM. Tools like Lindy and N8N help you build these agents without code. But even beyond that, AI can be your thinking partner. Whenever I feel stuck, I treat tools like ChatGPT as a strategist. I input my goals, ideas, and challenges and ask it to poke holes, prioritize, or even research gaps. Sometimes a good second opinion, even from an AI, makes all the difference. So there you have it, 7 AI skills that are not just nice to have, they're becoming essential. You don't need to master them all today. Start with one, apply it to a real problem, see the result, and then keep going, because this isn't just about tools, it's about giving yourself the superpowers to thrive in the age of intelligence. If this helped, feel free to share it. And if you want more content like this, you know what to do. Let's build the future.